here from OG Creations. For those of you not familiar with Krampus, he's a part goat, part demon legend that punishes the naughty children at Christmas time. Basically the devilish companion of jolly old Saint Nick. The evening of December 5th marks Krampusnacht, where Krampus arrives to beat those who have been naughty with bundles of birch sticks, drag them back to hell with him, or in some cases, just eat them. Complete sidebar, if you are not familiar with German holiday characters, I highly suggest that you hit Google right now and learn about them. Besides Krampus, my other favorite is Frau Berchta, who is known to hunt down those who have sinned, rip out their internal organs, and replace them with garbage. On that note, season's greetings and happy holidays. Let's make some undies. I start with a holly jolly red pair of 95% modal cotton, 5% spandex briefs, and using the Geo technique, I twist rubber bands in random patterns all over the fabric. I then soak the briefs in a soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes, place them on my dye racks for 12 to 24 hours until they are practically dry. I cover them in Dharma Trading Company's Raven Black liquid dye before bagging them up and setting them aside for 24 to 48 hours in a warmer space, something about 65 to 70 degrees. I rinse them thoroughly in cold water and then run them through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. I dry them completely. They are then ironed, inventoried, and shipped from my dye-covered hands to cover your hairy ass. These briefs can be nice or naughty. Either way, you're gonna love them. Enjoy your holidays with your friends and loved ones. Make memories and make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.